Starting around 13 July 2023, Bitcoin money fundamentally is exchanging at $284.88 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH has in every way that really matters. Complete market cap of $5,540,303,187, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $622,456,973 in a kind of significant manner. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, really positioning at 14 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely critical. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money especially be certainly worth in 2023? Which for the most part is very huge. Is Bitcoin money a sort of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is very huge. Will BCH cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in an unobtrusive manner? These sort of are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The BCH cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross a very normal value level of $339.27, the normal least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to really be $325.33 in an extremely significant manner. Besides, BCH can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $376.27, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is supposed to in a real sense be at around and in every way that really matters, least of $267.62 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $301.08, with the sort of typical cost of $292.71 in United States dollars, in a by and large significant way. Bitcoin money, BCH value conjecture August 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for August 2023 may generally arrive at an extremely least worth of $287.56, while the really greatest estimated cost generally is around $315.71 in a genuinely significant manner. The kind of typical cost for BCH for the most part is especially anticipated to especially reach $301.50 in August 2023, as opposed to mainstream thinking. BCH value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money sort of is gauged to in a real sense be at around a truly least worth of $299.62, which in a real sense is very huge. The Bitcoin money value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of $330.79, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $313.55 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money value figure October 2023. The especially normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could basically go to $326.10 toward the finish of October 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. BCH could explicitly be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $343.33, with the sort of least expected cost of $314.95. Or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money, BCH value estimate November 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for November 2023 may really arrive at a kind of least worth of $321.47, while the truly greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $359.63. The really normal cost for BCH for the most part is basically anticipated to generally reach $332.62 in November 2023, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. The sort of normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could for the most part go to $339.27 toward the finish of December 2023, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. BCH could truly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $376.27, With the base expected cost of $325.33 Bitcoin money passed value examination, in the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been diminished by 0.03% in its most certainly current worth, which especially is genuinely critical. Assuming that we in a real sense look at the genuinely current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap basically is likewise down, exhibiting how Bitcoin money value figured July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money basically is supposed to generally be at around a for the most part least of $267.62. Which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money generally is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which by and large is very critical. The BCH truly is down to nearly 3.87% in the sort of most recent 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they truly thought. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and extremely beyond 30 days cost history, it especially is seen that Bitcoin money generally has expanded 52.742% in its worth, showing the way in which BCH truly has a kind of complete market cap of $5,540,303,187. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $622,456,973 in a significant manner, the by and large normal lease cost for the month generally is $130.31, while truly most extreme for the most part normal cost fundamentally was $134.63, which especially shows that Bitcoin money value figure December 2023, the truly normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could commonly go to $339.27 toward the finish of December 2023, or so they truly thought. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to really your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, which basically shows that this in a real sense makes Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of positioning at 14 in the digital currency market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is around 53.74%, and the cost coursed from an exceptionally least extremely normal cost of $125.38 to pretty greatest pretty normal cost of $134.83 in the by and large beyond 90 days, or so they sort of thought. In sort of most recent 4 months Bitcoin money by and large has shown a developing pattern, which certainly is very huge. In this way, we in a real sense believe that